With the recent changes to the YouTube Partner Program, a lot of small channels like myself, and I'm assuming you, have been looking for other ways to supplement their income because ads not being able to be played on their videos. I've been doing research since I knew I was going to be affected, and I found an awesome platform that I needed to share with you. That platform is a browser called Brave. In this video, I'm going to show you why Brave is such a great browser and how it can help you make money and supplement an income using the browser. So let's just jump right into it. So like I said, Brave is a browser. It's like that of Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer, except it was developed to do so much more than just be an internet browser. I'm going to show you guys a short video available on Brave's website, and it's going to explain a little bit more in depth without me just being a talking head on why Brave is so awesome.
The browsers of today are broken. They've been overtaken by a barrage of sneaky and annoying ads, trackers that follow your habits, and cookies that build profiles, and all sorts of other internet clutter that's taking precedence over the content that you want to see. In fact, these useless bites can take up to a whopping 50% of page load times, with a third of it anxiously trying to learn more about you. To make matters worse, some ad blockers are even letting ads through when large advertisers pay them. But do you really want a leaky ad blocker? It's because of these very reasons that we developed Brave, a new browser that kicks internet crud to the curb and makes it faster, safer, and better to surf the web than your current browser. With Brave, everything you need is built right in. We integrated technology that automatically blocks trackers, annoying ads, and shields everything that can cramp your style and destruct your privacy. With it, you can expect increased speeds nearly 2 times faster on laptops and up to 7 times faster on mobile. And unlike any other browser, Brave allows you to support your favorite publishers with automatic micropayments, so it's a win-win for you and your favorite sites. To top it all off, Brave is open source, because we truly believe it's our web and we need to fix it together. So ask yourself this question: do you want a web browser made for the internet of today? If so, try Brave. It's faster, safer, and ad-free.
So now that you know a little bit more about the platform, I'm going to show you guys exactly how Brave gives you more than just the opportunity as a publisher to earn money with basic attention tokens through the promotions that they constantly run. So let's take a look back at my page, and we are going to go right down here where it says Brave has new news. Brave launches $1 million referral program for publishers and YouTubers. So this is not the first time that Brave has given publishers and creators the opportunity to make money by simply referring their viewers and followers to the Brave platform and rewarding them with basic attention tokens, i.e. cryptocurrency, i.e. the almighty dollar. It's so easy to do. All you have to do is get a referral code. I already have mine. You guys have seen that. It's running on the bottom of the screen. And by you downloading Brave, the browser, through that website, it's giving me roughly about $5 in basic attention tokens for every person that downloads and uses the platform. Now, there's no reason you shouldn't want to use the platform. If you don't like things like tracking, if you don't like things like fingerprinting, if you don't like pop-ups, if you don't like ads being targeted towards you, Brave is the ideal browser for you. So now I'm going to show you guys my Brave payments page. It shows my current promo progress. It also shows my linked accounts, which would be YouTube, because primarily that's where I upload all my content. I also have the option of checking out my latest Uphold account, where all basic attention tokens that I've earned prior to from people watching and sending me, the publisher, the creator, money has gone. And you guys can create an Uphold account by going to uphold.com. You're also able to take tokens that you earn or buy and send them to people that you watch or support on platforms such as YouTube, such as blogging websites. You can see this little green verified check mark next to my name, where if you go to the link, it'll show you exactly what page you're going to be donating your Brave attention tokens to, or the page that you do watch. I honestly can't say enough good things about the browser. It saves time, it stops pop-ups, it stops tracking. It's incredible. And on top of it all, it helps small creators grow and thrive. So with that being said, hopefully you as the viewer have taken a little bit away from this. If you're a fan of mine, download Brave. You're gonna use the browser and it's unbelievable. You'll also be helping me by donating those $5 through the referral program to my account. If you're a publisher, if you're a small YouTuber, download through my link and then start your own referral program. Push this to your friends, to your family, to your followers. There's no reason that somebody wouldn't like this browser, and ultimately they wouldn't like not helping you as a creator. So that's all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this very short how-to video, how to make money on Brave. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.